Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Android Studio in your Mac. So whether you are using M2 chip or M3 chip, you can easily download Android Studio in your Mac. So what you have to do, first of all, you have to go into your Chrome browser, Google Chrome. Okay, now go to Google Chrome here, and like this. Now here you have to search for Android Studio. Okay, search it, and here you will see first result, developer.android.com. Okay, now click on it, and here you will see download Android Studio. You have to download this one. Okay, and here you have to accept the term and condition, and here if you have Mac with Apple chip, you have to just click on this, and M1 chip or M2 chip, this one you have to click that Apple silicon. Okay, now click on save. Now it will take few times, it is 1.1 GB. Okay, so wait for a few seconds and it will be downloaded. I will check, and here you will see I have successfully downloaded Android Studio. Now click to show, and here you have to double click on it. Okay, now you have to drag to applications, and it will drag to the applications. Okay, now here you have to open, it will be in your launchpad. Now you have to open it, verifying Android Studio. Now here you have to click on open. Now here do not import setting. Okay, now here do not send. Now starting downloads. Now it will start the downloads, and here you have to click on next. Now standard or custom, you can customize installation setting, but I have to just standard. Okay, click on this next. Now click on next. Now again you have to accept all these terms and conditions. Okay, then click on next. Again, now click on finish. Okay, now here is starting downloads. Now it will downloads, and now as you see downloading components has been finished. So now you have to just click on finish. Okay, now you have to click on new project, and here you have to no activity and click on next. Now you have to click on finish.